Hi guys, it's P.O.V. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of you are having a lovely day. Alright, so in today's video, we are doing our project share, our project reveal for the hashtag Back to School Retro Dollar Tree Challenge that is hosted by my wonderful friend Cara over at Paper Confessions, Carol over at my Crinkled Path, and as well as myself. I want to thank all the participants that took part in this wonderful collaboration. It wouldn't have been anything without you guys, so greatly appreciate y'all. And look at this beautiful thumbnail that Cara created. I love how retro it is. It is so cute. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. There were a few requirements that we had to meet, like little prompts and stuff. And we had to take a 3-ring binder, and if y'all missed part 1, I will be linking it down below, as well as my wonderful swap partner, Kawaii Memo Love, which is Christine. What a privilege to have gotten to swap with her. She is so talented. And we had to do it in 1980s, 1990s theme. We had to make one handmade item, and then one surprise item that is retro or a little novelty item. Oh, here are all the swap partners with how we got paired up. Cara always does a wonderful job with that. This was the Q&A that we had to answer, and you can see here that Cara came up with some super fun questions for us to get to know our swap partner better. So this was Christine's. She was really into the Care Bears. She was really into Scooby-Doo, and then I picked up a couple of little things that I figured she would like that I will not be showing in this video, and you will have to watch her unboxing, so be sure and check that out. And also click on the hashtag, and that's gonna take you to everybody's videos for your viewing pleasure. So I hope that y'all definitely show y'all support, comment on all the collaborators channels. I'm sure they would greatly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and show you guys what I created. I think I've been talking for far too long. So here is what I created for Christine, my beautiful swap partner. She is so talented. I met her through my friend Cara. Let me see if I can go up a little bit higher. Okay, I think that's as high as I can go for this. So here on the cover, I went ahead and I attached this beautiful applique, some cute little thicker, how do you call these? Thicker stickers? I don't know. But they are unicorns, and they're so holographic, which I think is perfect for around that era. And then I attached this cute little rainbow that my friend Terry gave to me in some Happy Mail. In the background, you will see some beautiful lace. And then here I attached a little shaker that I picked up from our local Dollar Tree, and it is a rainbow. And then I attached it with a little bulb pin. It is a keychain, so she can remove this if she would like. She makes beautiful charms. If y'all didn't see the one that she made for me, check it out. You are missing out if you haven't watched it. She makes beautiful chunky charms. And then I attached it with this retro looking ribbon that my friend MJ over at My Paper Journey gave me. And you can see these cute Care Bears. How adorable are they? I never had a Care Bear as a kid, but they always looked so adorable. And then here I attached this cute little bling with a little paper flower, and it says hugs here because they're so huggable. And then you can see the layering of the scrapbooking paper in the background. So I just think I'm in love with the cover. Cute. And if we flip it to the back, we have more Care Bears, and I attached some stickers all the way around with this heart border, and it kind of feels like felt. And then some more of the unicorns with, of course, your rainbows, and then I did some stitching. And if we look inside, let's go ahead and flip this open. I went ahead and I put some ABC letters here so she could spell out her name if she wants to. She could put her name somewhere. And then here, this it's like chalkboard, so it reminds me of like the chalkboards that you would have in school. She can write some cute little notes there. And then we have a sweet little typewriter here. I mean, this is beyond retro, but I still think it looks really cute with the colors that we have picked here. And then I put these cameras on here. I wish they would have been a little bit older looking, but I still think it looks cute. And then here I tried to make a writing board, but when I have a hole puncher, and the hole punchers were it created holes a lot bigger than what my crocodile is, so when I went to clasp them, they kept falling through the hole. And so I tried to do my best, and now it doesn't flip open as good as I'd like. And so I wrote down a little note here for Christine to read when she opens it. And then this beautiful pastel rainbow bear is just so cute. Here's the the artist of this. I picked this up on Pinterest, I believe. And so here I attached another little handmade charm. I hope it's showing up on camera. Sorry about the glare. With a little flower here. And like I said, she can remove this if she so chooses, and she can write on it. And I think the glue, I glued 2 sheets of paper together, and I don't think it was dry just yet, and it left this, but I used it to write on here, and it worked just fine. So as long as she stays on this side, it'll do just fine. And then this little cutie here is a puppy, but it reminds me of her channel logo because it looks like a little fox or corgi. Too cute. If you guys haven't checked out her logo, it's adorable. We didn't put no goodies in there. I didn't want it to get too bulky. And so here, this is the first page. We've got some more little alphabet stickers because it would not be school without alphabets, right? And then here, this is a little pocket, and I put another Care Bear here, did a little bit of decorating, and then here I put some little pom-pom trims, which is so adorbs. Okay, and then here I was gifted these from my friend Cara. They're like, I guess, clear sheets of some sort. And then here, this is a pocket. She could put some goodies in there. It reminds me of the file folders. And then here on this side, we have another cute little pocket that my friend Cara gave me. And I attached another little Care Bear here with some Project Life cards for Christine. Another little vellum sheet. These come from a Smash book, so she can write down her top 10 whatever it is that she's currently into. And then look how cute this paper is. I love that pink with the yellow. And then here this says "It All Matters," so she can do some writing here as well. And then here we got some cute little retro polka dots. I love it. It reminds me of the pants back in the day. If we flip on over to this side, we've got a flow book sheets, and she can make some cute little pockets out of that. So like if you were back in school. Some origami sheets here, so she could do some origami, because you know back in the day that was a big thing. Embellishing here. Another fun little sheet here with some hearts, some more papers that she can write on. And then here I did a belly band, and I also put a cute little Care Bear there. She can take out some goodies. Here's more origami paper in the back. And then this, she can cut them apart and make cute little bookmarks out of it. And I love the retro TV here. We have pizza, and it's like meeting up with your friends after school at the pizza parlor. And then here you got some delicious ice cream, and here's the back. So how cute is that? I thought this was perfect for this. And then if we flip on over to this side, it says "I am here holding these pieces together, tethered like a squeaky merry-go-round." And as soon as it said merry-go-round, I was like, that's perfect. I have not seen a merry-go-round in years. It's been years, you guys. I don't know where they all went. And then here, this is a cute little phone. This is more modern, but I still thought it was cute. Another little Care Bear here. And then some more of that Smash book page. And then here we've got another little fun pocket with some more ephemera tucked in here. I did some stitching on that because how cute is that? And then here, another Smash book page. And it says "Here you go," so she can do some more documenting if she so chooses. More origami paper, some more of those interactive Smash book pages. Or, no, flow book pages. So she can do something with this cute little heart. And then she can make some paper beads. Flip on over here. Sorry, they kind of stuck a little together. We got some more ephemera in this fun little pocket here. I put a little butterfly. She can put her name here if she wants. And then look how cute and fun this page is. I love it. I love it. I love it. Another little Care Bear. Goes perfectly with the colors here. And then here we have another pocket. It reminds me of, again, like the file folder pockets that you have. We have a pencil here, little star, says "School Memories." Here's some more fun little origami pages, because you're going to be doing a lot of writing notes back and forth with your friends. Right, Christine? And then here we've got this one that has, it reminds me of like a boom box, you know, back in the day. everybody would carry around their music. Here, more origami paper, some more of this fun paper. She can actually use this for card making if she wants. And then another holographic heart here with, of course, the cheetah print. Reminds me so much of Lisa Frank. And then here we have some more fun pages. Gotta have the paint splatter, the neon, huge back in the day. And then here we have another little Care Bear with the sun and this, what are these called? Wedges? Wedge shoes. And here I thought it would be perfect to add a cute little rainbow booklet that comes with the flow book. And there's like a lot of rainbow going on too in here. So I was like, yeah, that has to go in there. And then here we have some more fun ephemera. And then some more pages here. Excuse Paul, y'all could probably hear him. He's doing some coloring over here. He's feeling very artistic. Okay, oh, and look, I added this little puzzle piece, paper clip, because like how fun is that? And then here, I got this from Fel. My friend Fel over at FP Handmade. She made this, and I was like, ah, that's perfect. That screams retro all the way. And so I made it into a little pocket. And that's a little piece of ephemera. It's vintage ephemera. And then here we have another little pocket with some more, oops, I hope y'all are in view. Some more fun little ephemera here. And it tucks into this cute little pocket that I stitched. Another Care Bear, because oh my gosh, I'm in love with the Care Bear. It's so cute. And then here, I was more into Polly Pockets though, since I didn't have Care Bears. And my Polly Pocket was actually a gift from one of my dad's co-workers back in the day. And I just remember being so in love with it and playing with it all the time. You know, and then after we moved away, I lost it. And for years and years, I never let it go. Like, it still stayed in my mind. I missed it so very much. And now as an adult, I had told my husband, I said, I really want my Polly Pocket. He's like, well, what are you gonna do with a Polly Pocket as a grown adult woman? I was like, I don't care, I want one. So I had him order me one, and let me bring her out so you guys can see her. She is too precious. Okay, I'm back. So this is not the original, but I bought it off of somebody who used to own it. And that's what it looked like. Oh my god, it's bringing back all the feels. Oh my gosh. I have to be very careful with it because it's very old, okay? And then you have your little dolls. So imagine like little tiny fingers playing in this. So cute. Look, she's got little chonguitos, which I used to wear them a lot as a little girl. And look, check it out. She can stand in here.
Let me see.
She goes into those little holes. You see that? Oh, so, but moving right along, because I don't want to keep y'all here forever, I'm going to put her in the closet. And then here we have some more fun paper. Oh my god, it got stuck together. Oopsie. And then here we have another little fun pocket. I don't think I put anything in this one. No. And then here, I love how cute those look, those little bubbles. Little speech bubbles that you would see in comic books or something. Some cute flowers down here, and then here we have a little side pocket, and then I put some of these little schedule markers because how cute are those? And then this also looked really retro to me. I put another holographic. Those are so cool. I love them so much. More origami paper, and here is some paper so she can make a little fun card to somebody. Some more of those alphabet stickers. Another one of those fun clear acetate papers. And then here's some more paper, what do you call them? Scrapbooking paper. Another one of the smash book papers. And then here, she can do some cute little journaling. I got this from Mystical Misty, and of course you gotta have one of those. Aren't those so fun? And some more origami papers, fun ephemera, and some Project Life cards. Oops, this is upside down. Fun. And then that was the last page. She can put some goodies in here if she so chooses. You guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the flip through of our back to school retro Dollar Tree challenge, which is hosted by Cara, myself, and Carol. So I want to thank y'all for having spent time with me. And I had a lot of fun making this. It felt really, really good to throw it back to the 90s, which I feel like they were the best. But anyways, I had a lot of fun. So thank you so much, Cara and Carol. And here's another last look at our fun 3-ring binder. That wraps it up for me, you guys. Y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Y'all please take care, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.